फ्रेंड्स, आज आप लोग पढ़ने के लिए रेडी हो जाइए एक्सरसाइज 2.2 पॉलिनोमियल से फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल वंस अगेन नॉलेज पॉइंट बाय आर.के. सर. Here the question number 1 from exercise 2.2 from the polynomial chapter है find the value of the polynomial and the polynomial is given 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Let this is of px. Let this is of px. So we write first let px को हम लोग मानेंगे 5x minus 4x square plus 3. And then we put the value of x 0. Okay. So put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. P of 0 is equal to 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. If you try to understand 5 into 0, 0 होता है, 4 into 0 square, ये भी 0 plus 3. That means कि answer is 3. So get proceed for the second. Next, again we write px is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3 and we put x equal to minus 1 in place of x you write. So then p minus 1 is equal to 5 into minus 1, 4 here minus sign clearly seen, minus 1 square plus 3. So here minus 5 and minus 1 square 1 minus 4 plus 3. And you know the rule of the integers, minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 here plus 3, and you know minus 9 plus 3 क्या होता है minus 6. So this is the answer of the second. So similarly you can do question number 3. Let px, first you write this 5x minus 4x square plus 3 and then we put the given value of x2 on both sides. P of 2 is equal to 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. Okay, 10 minus 2 square 4, 4 is 16 plus 3 and we get by the rule of integer 10 plus 3 13 minus 16 and absolutely this is minus 3. So here is the answer and this part of the first question completed. Okay, and now we get proceed for the solution of the second question. You try to understand the question first. Question number 2, find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. The given polynomial in term of y, p of y equal to y square minus y plus 1. It is one of the integer y, and then another p of t, that means integer t, px, that means variable t. Here p of x, that means variable x, and p of x, that means variable x. Okay. So just we have to find these three for all questions. So let me start. First p is of 0. P of 0, that means p of y is given. It is defined as y square minus y plus 1. And you have to find p0. So you put 0 in place of y. Y square means 0 square. Y means 0 plus 1. Here this 2 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. This is the answer of the p of 0. And now p of 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So this becomes 1 minus 1 plus 1. You know this 1 plus this 1. So sum of these two and minus 1 is equal to 1. So here is the completed answer of the all three parts. Okay, so get proceed. Now for p of t we have to find, so it is defined pt as 2 plus t minus 2t square minus t cube. First we have to find p of 0. P of 0, you put 0 in place of t in both sides. 2 plus 0 minus 2, 0 square minus 0 cube. Understood? And this becomes 2, here 0, and this is also 0, this is also 0. So this is the answer. क्योंकि 0 square 0 into 2 0 होता है. And then we have to find p1, p of 1. So 2 plus in place of t 1 minus 2 in place of t square 1 square minus 1 cube. So 2 plus 1, solving 1 square, 1 into 2 2 minus 1. So now you see 2 plus 1 3 minus 2 minus 1 3, that means the result is 0. Okay, this is the answer. Here 3 part completed of the question number 2 of 2. Okay, and now px is defined as x square. Okay, so we have to find, first of all you write p of x equal to x square. p0 is equal to 0 square. 0 square means 0, so the value of p0 is 0. And then p1, okay, you see 1 square in place of x you put 1, and p2, that means 2 cube. 2 cube, that means 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So completed this one. And now the last part of the question number 2, and it is defined as px equals to x minus 1 x plus 1. Okay, so p of 0 is equal to 0 minus 1, you write in place of x 0 and 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 you know, minus 1 into 0 plus 1 you know, 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. This is the answer, first answer. And for p of 1, you write 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. So 0 into 2 equals to 0. This is the answer. And the last part of the question number 2, p2 is equal to 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. You know 2 minus 1, that means 1, and 3 is equal to 3. So here is the answer. And I think the first part of the question number 1 and 2 has been completed, and just I am going to proceed for the question number 3. Okay, now third question I am going to discuss, and given verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. That means कि this is the value x equal to minus 1 by 3, x equal to 4 by 5, and x equal to 1 and minus 1. These are zeros or not? How can you verify? So you put the value of x in place of x in both sides. So substituting, suppose we have px equal to given 3x plus 1, and put minus 1 by 3 in place of x. So p of x equal to 3x plus 1. So p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. If it comes 0, that means x equal to minus 1 by 3 is 0 of px. You understood, students? अगर हम इस वैल्यू को x की जगह रखते हैं और हमारा p माइनस 1 by 3 का वैल्यू 0 आता है, तो इट मीन्स कि x इक्वल टू माइनस 1 by 3 इज 0 of px, because you have learned before this exercise 0 of the polynomial. What is the 0 of the polynomial? I discussed. Now you see, after cancellation of these 3, minus 1 plus 1, and you know is equal to 0. आप इसके बाद लिखोगे hence, okay, x equal to minus 1 by 3 is 0 of px equals to 3x plus 1. Okay, this is the answer. In this way you have to solve this question. Now just I am coming for second number of question number 3. We have px, p of x, polynomial p of x, and it is defined px minus pi. Okay, so we put x equal to 4 by 5. We put x equal to 4 by 5. P of 4 by 5 equal to 5 into 4 by 5 and minus, okay, pi. Pi means 22 by 7. So you see 4 minus 22 by 7 never equal to 0. Never equal to 0. That means x equal to 4 by 5 is not 0 of px. Okay, the value which brings the p of x results 0 after putting the value of x in the polynomial in both sides results 0, then it is called the 0 of the polynomial as it is defined. Now the third number, we have the two numbers for x. So first we put p1, okay, p of 1 square minus 1, that means 1 minus 1 equals to 0. And for second p minus 1, so minus 1 square is also 1, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 पॉजिटिव. दो बार अगर आप नेगेटिव नेगेटिव लेते हो माइनस 1 इंटू माइनस 1 तो आपको आता है प्लस 1. तो प्लस 1 माइनस 1 that is 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So clear, these two are the zeros. Hence, okay, x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1 both are zeros of px. So student, you have seen the 3 questions of this part, and now I am coming for 4th part. And you see px is defined as x plus 1 and x minus 2. Now we put in place of x minus 1 first time, p of minus 1 equals to minus 1 plus 1 and minus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 1, you know, 0 into minus 3, it is equal to 0. So you see 0 here. So that means minus 1 is 1 of the 0. You put 2, p2 in place of x, p of 2 equal to 2 plus 1 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 3 into 0 equals to 0. That means in both case 0 are the results. Hence x equal to minus 1, 2 both are zeros of px. And just I am reaching to the question number 5 solution. Okay, x is equal to 0. Is it the 0 of the given polynomial? P0 is equal to 0 square and it is 0. Hence x equal to 0 is the zeros of px. 0 of px, not zeros, 1 0, 0 of px, p of x. Okay. Now the next question is px is defined as lx plus m. So p minus m by l, putting in place of x, p of minus m by l is equal to l in place of x minus m by l plus m. Okay, after cancellation this minus m plus m is equal to 0. That means so that this is the 0. Hence x equal to minus m by l is 0 of p of x. Polynomial p of x is equal to, you can write lx plus m. So in this way there has been 6 questions solved and it is 7th. It has 2 zeros value. Are these 2 are 0 or not? So put the value of x equal to minus 1 value. हम लोग रखते हैं x के जगह -1/√3 फर्स्ट टाइम एंड 3 -1/√3 होल स्क्वायर करते हैं -1। ओबीसी 3 माइनस का स्क्वायर होता है प्लस, तो इंटू 1/3 -1, 1 - 1 0 and now it is 0. It has been cleared. But when we put in place of x in this polynomial p of 2/√3, 3 2/√3 in place of x square -1. You see 3 into 2 square 4 and √3 square 3 -1. Now it is cancelled, and after that 4 - 1 equal to 3. Here it is not 0. So what we write, that one value of x is 0 and another value is not 0. That means x equal to -1/√3 is 0 of px, but x equal to 2/√3 is not the 0 of px. Now here is the last question, and there is only one 0 is given. Can it be defined as 0? So we see, just putting the value of x in place of x. So p of 1/2 into, you see, 2 into 1/2 plus 1. You see 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is not equal to 0, hence x equal to 1/2 is not the 0 of px. So students, I think how can you verify that the given values of x are 0 or not? So this has been totally described one by one, steps by steps, and I try to clear this question solution. So dear student, let me explain question number 4 का solution. And from exercise 4 हमने आपको जो बताया, सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन में आपको याद होगा कि उसमें था आपको पॉलिनोमियल का वैल्यू फाइंड करना. So you have found the value of polynomials, and in the second question verification, you understood. But in the third question, what is given, you have seen here, find the 0. आपको 0 फाइंड करना है पॉलिनोमियल, जैसा कि आप जानते, तो आप इस पॉलिनोमियल px को 0 रखो. ये px की जगह आप 0 डाल दो, मतलब px आपका जो है वो 0 हो जाएगा. 0 इज इक्वल टू, इस तरह से आप लिखो कि px इक्वल टू 0 एंड px का वैल्यू जो है वो px के नीचे रखो. दिस इंप्लाइज दैट इक्वल टू 0 एंड x इक्वल्स टू -5. सो हियर इज द आंसर. एंड द सेकंड वन, likewise you have to explain all the question solution. So you put px equal to 0 similar way, x -5, and px 0 is equal to x -5, and so x equals to 5, transposing. So this is the 0. Okay, here -5 is the 0, here 5 is the 0. Okay, here you write -5 is 0 of p of x equals to x plus 5. Okay, this way you write, and similar way you have to write. Similar way you write px equals to 0. This is the third. And here px, value of px 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, and now you transpose 5 from left to right, so you write 2x equals to -5 and x equals to -5/2. Okay, this has been described. Now the fourth, likewise all the problems you have to solve, and px in place of p of x equals to 0, and similar way this you write 3x minus 2 equals to 0, 3x and -2 transpose to the right side from left, so sign should be changed, and here x equals to 2/3. That means it is the 0 of the polynomial px equals to. This way px equals to 0, so 3x equals to 0, so x equals to 0 by 3. This one is 0. Similar way, px 0, okay. Then in place of px, ax equal to 0, you have to find x. So x equal to 0 by a. This a is transport, x equal to 0. And this is the 0. And the last one, px equal to 0, and here it is given px equal to cx plus d if c is not equal to 0. If c is 0, that means x does not exist. So we have to put, okay, cx plus d is equal to 0, and you transpose cx equal to minus d, so x equals to minus d by c. And hence in this way I described all the question solution.